Hello, everybody. Today, I will be teaching you all how to compute limits at certain points that might be difficult to compute normally. So over here in the graph of y equals to the absolute value of x plus 1, let's try to find the limit of x as it approaches 1. So here, we know that the limit is basically the instantaneous slope of the graph. But as we look at 1, we can see it's a sharp curve. So how do we find the slope of two lines intersecting? The main problem is we can't. So we have to either take the left side limit or the right side limit. Based on whichever one we choose, we split a line in the half like this. So this would be the left side, and this would be the right side. To denote that, we would write it as limit of x approaches 1 from the plus, from the right, or minus from the left. So from the minus, the slope would be -1, and for plus or right, the slope would be 1. Next, let's look at the limit of x as it approaches 1 again. So here, from the left side, it approaches -infinity, and from the right side, it approaches positive infinity. Therefore, this limit is undefined. Again, however, we can take both the left side and the right side. The left side would be -infinity, and the right side would be positive infinity. Next, let's look at a jump discontinuity. Here, let's look at the limit of x as it approaches 2. From the left side again, the value of this would be 3. However, on the right side, this limit would be 0. So therefore, the limit of x as it approaches a is only defined if the limit of x approaches a from the right is equal to the limit as x approaches a from the left. Thank you for listening and have a great day.